Recon drones, call your position. Compromised. You're losing ground. Move it. TACOM, authorize LDVR strike.
여기만 살에 키울까? 여기만 살에는 next one, no, honey.
You've got time for another bounty. Get it done.
I know. You work with my mother. You want my what's out?
He's broken.
Enemy UAV is online.
SDVR ready for launch.
Fuck, I'm gonna go to the buy station real quick. What's my time?
Oh, that was a good one.
Target grid empty. Negative BDA.
That means that.
Yep.
Hostile UAV in the
Your ass
area.
back. Yeah.
Fire sale is
Where they at?
active.
To my left or right?
Fire prices are adjusted. There's an increased payout for this job. Be sure to collect. Enemy UAV
Come to me,
overhead.
please. Alright, never mind. Whenever you guys can.
Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area. Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six.
Went left or
Hey,
right?
hey, share. That's not yours only.
UAV is online.
Give!
Enemy UAV
Give na nga
overhead.
sinulgom yak. Get it. Go get. Get some. That's not for Shandil only. That's for you too.
Primary objective complete. All targets eliminated.
Hey, stop crying. You gotta share. Nga
Get
sinulgom
to the
yak.
safe zone.
Why you don't like share?
Five squads still operational in the AO. Sending LDVR coordinates. Fire sales over. Adjusting prices.
Everybody's on me.
Hey, stop crying. You wanna go sleep?
Resurgence has been deactivated.
Killed him.
Dust yourself up, regroup, and get back out there. 3 squads left.
Come on, guys.
Ah, shit. Bảo là mẹ cứu quả. Bảo là. Wait.
Deploying shortly. Deployment to the war zone has been authorized. We've got 10 squads active in the field. Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster. Mark a drop point for your squad and hit the sill. Supply box UAV is on the way.
Whole team in the bunker.
Hostile UAV in the area. Counter UAV inbound. Enemy UAV overhead.
Marking field upgrade.
Hostile system waypoint.
Visual on enemy.
Gas is inbound. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area.
Not done yet.
Enemy UAV is online. You're back on the station. Go get after it. You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Under fire!
Field upgrade active here.
Unit destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
That's it. Up you go.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Sniper at, dude. Down here somewhere.
You have reinforcements inbound.
On a roof.
Enemy counter UAV inbound. Enemy UAV over.
You down, the top guy down.
Don't go out there.
Tired of them
But
assholes.
oh shit, there's a full squad.
I pushed them because I want to wipe them.
Wipe him, bro. You ain't gonna wipe shit.
We're returning you to the
You ain't gonna wipe shit. You must be wipe your ass. Talking about wiping us, motherfucker.
The only thing you gonna wipe is your ass.
Enemy UAV is online.
You tripping.
You said
Your
nothing
squad
till you
mates back
wipe
on
your own
station. Good
ass.
work.
It's right here, it's right here, it's right here. Behind you, Swoop.
Shit. How does that not kill that person? Sorry.
Trying to play with him? Yes, Walan. What's finna trip? What the fuck is just trip?
They let you together.
Whatever. There's one coming up the stairs. They're just play. Why don't y'all come out and fight? Why y'all just playing cat and mouse with us?
Who you talking about?
Them.
You'll get another chance.
Unless there's 3 teams there now.
So
I'll
good.
load out. Use shit. I had to go up in there. If y'all let me get my loadout, we'll go.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced.
They ain't good.
Yeah, they ain't that good.
You're good. You're good shit.
Got it. I'm coming up. Shit.
Don't be such a crybaby. Back on your feet.
Get ready. Marking the rest of them.
Go.
Guys, we
5 squads still operational in the AO. Clear another target during contract.
She's coming from the backside.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. You've got gas moving in. High value contracts are in play. More risk, more reward.
That's another squad, dude. It's a whole nother squad.
Fire sales done. Time to go back to normal.
It's the funky. This motherfucker is outside. Everybody come out and kill his ass, bro. Fucking
oh, they're coming through the air vent. Coming through the air vent.
Yeah, I'm gonna land it on top. That motherfucker's right there.
Fucking Brandon like rats.
You got 9 seconds, bro. 9 seconds.
Why not 4? Nine seconds. Thank you. Hey, get up, no charge. Go. Hey, go see where Sharshan. Go see where Sharshan. Go see.
Deployment.
Hmm?
Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Hey, man, there's niggas that like to crack that fucking
Resurgence.
Four-wheeler
Survive
inside
to
that
redeploy
bunker.
fallen
I hate that
teammates.
shit.
Kill to
That
bring
should
them
be
back
pissing me
faster.
off hard. Damn.
Your team leader. Set a drop point for your squad soldier.
Like a short Tito over here.
What?
Good
What'd you
kill.
do, Tito?
Marking the rest of that squad on your tag map. Get hunting.
Hey, you guys see them up? Nah, dude.
Found a weapon.
Oh, you're not. Yeah, I got you, guys. See me, bro? I'm gonna take care of them.
Secure the supply boxes. Locations are marked on your tag map.
You know, celebrate.
People in the bunker.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Where?
Bunkerito.
Alright, jump up, you coming on the guys. Alright, Tito, let's go. Time to go take care of that fucking bunker. Ready? Yeah, there's smoke.
There's people here. Watch out.
Eyes on enemy.
UAV's up.
They're on top right now.
Oh shit!
They're on top. Watch out.
Get me.
There. There went around. You didn't where we ended.
Stand by for redeployment.
Wala ka người wala như kia. You motherfucker, what the fuck wrong with this game, bro?
No, we're not.
喂，我想怎么呢个怎么先啊？
Gas is inbound.
所以唔嚟嘅咩啊？對，
Oh, shit.
我咧，
Contract failed.
我咧，
does
我
that
個
shit.
march leg din，
Time for
我個 break your leg。
Supply cache locations are
So
resecured.
good.
We lost that contract.
So
Alright,
good, you know.
LT.
Alright, I'm leaving my shit and I'm beast. Oh, bro, I'm having
Supply
20
drones in your
kills right
AO.
now, bro.
Handle 'em.
Fuck all that pussy shit. Alright, let me focus.
That'll be it.
Man, I'm focusing over here, cool. On the buy station. No underwear. Focus only, bro. And do all that shit.
Hostiles firing on
Where
the
the
drone.
fuck are you?
Stay
Pull
alert.
up, bro. Stop talking.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Nice, low out.
The enemy stole our contract out from under us.
I'm going for what you call it, UAV.
Hey, you need my cash?
Requesting recon overhead.
Got it already. Alright, people right there, bro.
You've got a loadout.
They just bought a loadout right now. It's a good time. It's a good time.
We're flying on cue. UAV returning to tank.
Recon fly on. For danger.
He's trying to run to the beach.
Remaining
If you
operators
have something
from that
to say,
squad.
you
Hunt
best
them
say it.
down. Aerial recon is overhead. Relocate.
You're here. They're on top, guys. Siki. Watch out. They're coming to you.
Surveillance scanned you. Your location's exposed.
Weak, what the? Will the fuck?
Você ufa,
other games and everything. No way, bro.
Fire!
50 bullets to this motherfucker. How the fuck you don't down? The entire clip is a 50 magazine, bro. Somebody's outside. Yeah, Tito, he's coming in.
Get ready.
Tito, I cannot hear you.
We're in the path of incoming patrols. Get out
Never
of
say
there.
shoot.
Recon drones caught your position. You're compromised.
Yo, it's on me, Tito. What the fuck?
Enemy dropping into the air. All squad mates are in the safe zone. Enemy UAV overhead.
Hold on. Look who he What the fuck?